Okay boys, this problem is of isometric projection. So to draw this isometric projection of this front view and side view, this is front view and this is side view. Okay, to draw this figure in isometric projection, take a imaginary line, put a dot, and with the help of protractor, take a 30-degree angle here and here and make a imaginary lines like this. Okay, and then here also this front view I am drawing here and this side view I am drawing here. If in the question front view and side view is given, if it is given, first you have to draw side view, otherwise draw front view first. Okay, I am drawing side view, means how much is this? This is 60 mm, so I am drawing 60 mm line on this 30-degree angle line, that is 60 mm, like this. Okay, till here. Okay, then the 60 I have drawn, then this is height is also 60 mm. From here to here it is 40 plus 20, 60 mm. So draw straight line like this. Okay, that is 60 mm. Okay, then how much is this line? I have drawn this 60 mm here and height 60 mm, same height, then 20 mm I have to draw here, but it is here in the figure this 20 mm is parallel to this 60 mm line, means here this is the 60 mm. I have to draw this 20 mm with this line parallel like this. Okay, set your drafter as that angle, then from here draw 20 mm line. 20 mm line is there, no? 20 mm line I have drawn. Then this line is of 40 mm, so draw 40 mm line, straight line. Set the drafter as set. Here from here it is 40 mm, and then this line is of, if this line is 20, then remaining line will be 40, because from 60 you are removing 20, then remaining line will be 40. Means with this line parallel, set your drafter with this parallel line, then draw how much? 40 mm. So draw 40 mm line like this. Then remaining 20 mm line draw like this. Okay, means I have drawn only this. What about this figure? Means it is becoming this triangle is coming in between, because it is seen here. Okay, so I have drawn this front view, then remaining this front view I am drawing here. Means how much is the distance of this line is 60 mm. Then from here this is 60 mm. Okay, 60 mm means from here to here I am keeping 60 mm. This is 60 mm line. Okay, then from here to here you are having same as 60 mm, but in this you have to draw from front view. You have been seeing this square, so draw this also with this line parallel. Okay, set this your drafter with this line and draw same as 60 mm line. Okay, then this 20 mm height, this square I have drawn. Then after this, from here also total width is upward is 60 mm. So with this line only, this line set it as, then draw 60 mm. How much is this? 60 mm only. So draw 60 mm line. Okay, and from here also 60 mm line. Then after draw this line. Okay, then how much is this line? 40 mm. So I will draw as parallel line as 40 mm with the help of this line only. And here I will draw remaining line like this. Okay, same, how much distance is this? That much. Okay, then after, from front view I am seeing this box. Yes, from front view is from here only, so this box. And what about these three boxes? That this box, this one is your slant surface, means in side view it is seen. From front view this slant surface is seen like this, and from side view this slant surface is looking like this. So from the front view means I have to draw from front view only, means it looks like this one, like a straight two lines. Means how much is the distance? 20 20. So I have to take here from distance 20 mm here and here, 20 mm 20 mm 20 mm, because three all are 20 mm. From here also till here 20 mm 20 mm. Okay, then after draw these lines. (20 mm 20 mm). Okay, 20 mm means from the front view I am seeing this slant surface, this one. Okay, and this surface, this box here one. And what about this? Means here, means you have to do some more things. Means this from the side view it is seeing like this, no, this slant surface here, means this triangle, how much is this? 40 mm. So draw parallel 40 mm line with the help of this drafter, set it and draw 40 mm line. And how much this line? 40 mm, no, draw this also 40 mm line till here, see 40 mm you are getting, 40. Then draw this line also, means it is seeing like this rectangle shape, no, so rectangle shape is same. Okay, this is your isometric projection. Now check your figure, exactly it is seeing like this one. This is the isometric projection, this is the orthographic projection, means front view and side view. Means from front view it should be seen as like this, front view only, means this is the, you are seeing from here, this is front view. From there you are seeing this box is seeing, means this box comes. Okay, then this slant surface is visible, so it is also like this. Then after, these two boxes are these two boxes, this one and this one. Okay, then front view is complete. Then on side view it is visible like this, means from side view, from here, this is the side view. Okay, it should be visible like this, means from side view this L shape, means L shape I have drawn. Okay, this L is visible and this triangle it is also visible. Okay, your solution complete. This is the isometric. If it is top view is also given, means if this problem's top view is given, that also from seeing by that top view you can also draw the isometric projection. Thank you.